A very warm welcome to this, the first film in our Pitched Roofs series, in which we take a look at pitched roofs. A roof is the uppermost part of a building. I am sure that you remember our Elements of Architecture series, in which we explained the principle of selective seeing. It also explained the system used by German standard DIN 276 construction costs, building construction, which breaks the elements of a building down into cost groups. Roofs are covered in Cost Group 360, where they are subdivided into roof constructions, roof openings, roof coverings, and roof cladding. Roofs are classified according to their shape. In the case of a flat roof, the uppermost part is horizontal or flat, as the name suggests, like a floor or ceiling. With a pitched roof, the uppermost part comprises one or more flat elements that are steeply angled or pitched. In arched roofs, which are relatively rare, the uppermost part of the building is composed of an arched, curved element. The key difference between a pitched roof and a flat roof is the manner in which they protect the building below them against the ingress of water. A pitched roof diverts water and carries it away from the building. Water collects on a flat roof, so it requires a barrier against water penetration. The principle to remember here is that whereas pitched roofs divert water, flat roofs need to provide a barrier against it. Before we came to Dresden, we were lecturers at the Technical University in Dortmund. There, our colleague Paul Karlfeldt liked to illustrate the principle of diversion by asking his students to construct a hat or head covering that would protect them against water. This short film shows how the students very quickly switched from the barrier principle to the diversion principle by bending forwards in order to stay dry. With the diversion principle, water simply runs down the pitched surface. The water droplets are forced downwards by the laws of gravity. This has the advantage that the water diverting layer can be made of a series of small components that overlap from top to bottom like the scales of a fish. It's a principle that you are all familiar with. When it rains, you do not tuck your waterproof trousers into your boots, you leave them on the outside. This drawing shows some of the terminology used to describe the pitch of a roof. I recommend that you make a copy of it. You should always indicate the pitch of a roof at the angle between the edge of the roof surface and the horizontal. A pitched roof is defined as any roof with a pitch of more than 20 degrees. A flat roof has a pitch of less than 10 degrees. Roofs with a pitch between 10 and 20 degrees are referred to as low-slope roofs. Summary: a roof is the uppermost part of a building. Roofs are covered in Cost Group 360, where they are subdivided into roof constructions, roof openings, roof coverings, and roof cladding. Roofs are classified according to their shape. Flat roofs are horizontal like floors and ceilings. Pitched roofs are made up of one or more flat elements that are steeply angled or pitched. A pitched roof is defined as any roof with a pitch of more than 20 degrees. A pitched roof diverts water and carries it away from a building. Why not take a look at the next film in our Pitched Roofs series? In it, we examine the key characteristics of pitched roofs.